Hello, hi, I'm back at it again. 101 ways to cook chicken. This is my skinless, boneless chicken breast. I just diced, chunked up. And my ginger, my peppers, my lime. We're going to use the orange pineapple juice to cook it in. Of course, we're going to have the famous Uncle Ben's rice. But this right here is going to be sesame. This is a sesame seed sauce, which is really, really flavorful and really good. So, and I will add my mixed vegetables also. So, I'll see you at the end results. I'm sauteing the chicken, no flour, just about 3 tablespoons of canola oil. I'm sauteing it in the sesame seed sauce. After this cooks, then I'll add my juice. Okay, here's my sauteed vegetables and the butter sauce that I made for them. And this is my finished product. I really wish that you could smell all of this. It is really delicious. I'm going to take this and put it right in the middle with a little of that nice juice over the veggies and the rice. Look at that. Oh, another piece of meat. Look at that. Look how delicious that meat looks. Serious? Oh, and it's so tender. Now that is good eating. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.